Hello everybody, welcome back to Soulfult. Today for dinner is pepper steak. Right here, the cut that I bought was the Tbs steak family pack beef chuck. This meat cooked very tender. So this is how it looks like. It came in a slice. You can cut in little string pieces or in tiny cubes. It's up to you. Before seasoning my meat, I like to rinse it out. Too many hands in there. So I like to do that. So let's get started. Okay, I'm already rinse it out. So the seasoning that I'm using is Sylvia. This is really good. It's seasonal soulful right over here. I'm not promoting Sylvia, but this seasoning I've been using it for years. It's really good. The Gallian parsley, washery right over here. This one is the Dominican style, and black pepper. So right over here from the Sylvia seasoning, I'm already mixed up my seasoning. So I use 2 tablespoons from the Sylvia seasoning. I use 2 tablespoons from the, I forgot to mention it, oregano. I have the oregano right over here in this little jar. Sorry about that. So it was 1 tablespoon of the oregano. It was from the I'm sorry, from the black pepper. It was only half a spoon. For washery, I'll show you how to do it. All right. You can use any seasoning of your choice. It's totally up to you. But just make sure that when you season, it's really seasoning of your choice, like I mentioned before. So for the washery, just sprinkle a little bit. Definitely have to put my hands in. I'm gonna lower this guy down. There we go. And just play with it. Mix it up really good. I like to add a little bit of water when I'm seasoning my meat. This is the water that you adding after the meat is already in the pot. Okay, so this is really good. Definitely gotta wash my hands. Okay. So I wanna bring it to the stove. See you in a bit. All right, this is about half a cup of corn oil. You can use any oil of your choice. So just spread it in the pot. Just go like this. This is right now in low heat. You can increase to medium heat after. It's been there for a while, so definitely I can feel this thing is really hot. So I'm gonna put it by slice. All right, just carefully, straight. You can start it all upon round. There you go. Okay, you can keep increasing the fire, but right now you want to make sure that it's cooked thoroughly, and it's like I said, it's very tender. This is last between 25 to 30 minutes, more or less. If you leave it longer, then it's gonna look like the meat being destroyed inside. All right, so I'm gonna increase the heat, and I wanna cut now my onions, my pepper steak, they're from the sweet plantain, and see you in a bit. Okay, I'm already cut in string different right here the pepper, and I have the onions, and I found just less than half a tomato, and I decided just to add it in. So right now I want to show you, this is the yellow plantain. I want to make fried sweet plantain. So you want it to look something like this, or even a little bit more darker. It's really good. All right, so when you get it, you peel it. Okay, it has like lines where you go through right over here. Okay, let me pay attention. I'll call myself. Okay, so for people who haven't tasted it, it tastes sweet. It's like a sweet banana but a little bit more different. A lot of people make sweet plantain with ground beef, cheese, tomato sauce. It's really, really good. Some people eat them just by themselves. Of they add cheese on it. So let me put the camera a little bit down. That's what happened. All right. So let me put it. I'm sorry about that, guys. Okay, there you go. So this is it's like a little bit of like this much. This is probably like less than an inch, so it can cook really through when you fry them. So I want to make two. My family likes it very much. Okay, over here. So now that you got it, let me continue with the second one. All right, so this is how the plantain looks like. You have to wait few until it's golden brown. So you leave a few minutes. Definitely you have to turn it over when you see it. If you're still seeing like this color, probably you want to go back and leave it and do the same thing with all of them. It just say I would say few like 5-6 minutes more or less until it's golden brown. Like I said, depends. This is a medium heat, so I don't want to fire up and high because it can get burned. So you don't want that. You want it to look really nice and that nice golden brown color. Okay. Okay, this is how your sweet plantains looks like. These are beautiful golden brown color. This is what you want when you're cooking it. Also the ends, which is those very thick one, last a little bit longer but not too much as the regular slices. Some people like to buy them frozen. Me personally, I like to buy them the plantain itself and just cook it like that, so you're avoiding a lot of preservative and other things from frozen food. So I hope you make it one day, send me a picture. All right, so let me continue with the meat. See you in a bit. Okay, my meat is ready. It's right over here. Okay, so now I'm going to add the pepper and the onions. Oops. And a little bit of the tomato that I have. Okay. So let me mix it up. Definitely I need to fry it up. And just move it out. My God, it smells so good in here. Oh. My rice is already made. The green beans, not the green beans, the red beans. Okay. So let me bring this guy over here so you guys can see. This is exactly how it looks like. It's so good. Right? So I just need to wait for the red pepper, the onions, and the tomato to be completely soft. Some people like it crispy. It's up to you. Depends. And I'm just going to cover it. So I covered it to speed it up. Fry it up. I do not like to add tomato sauce. A lot of people that cook pepper steak, some of them adding tomato sauce, like a tomato paste. Me personally, I don't like it. I just like to have the same juice from all the seasoning mix, which is a little bit of this one. So I can add a little bit, just a tiny bit, just less than half a cup, less. And just cover it up and just wait until you see that the vegetable is really tender inside. Okay. All right. Well, finally done making dinner. Right. So this is how my pepper steak came out. Right over here. This is the sweet plantain, the beans, the white rice. The rice that I use is jasmine rice. It smells so good and it's delicious. So now let me see how it tastes. Delicious. Let me see what the rest. Really good. Well, thanks for watching. Subscribe, give me a thumbs up if you like this video. I hope that your pepper steak tastes amazing as mine does. Don't forget, comment, subscribe, ask me questions that you like, And definitely we put every description in the below my channel, so you can make yours fantastic, delicious, and yum. See ya. Thanks for watching. Bye.